he's on a TV show also.
Yeah. Name is Victor, and I'm on a TV show called Goodbye Deutschland.
That's awesome. See, look at that. I got famous people here. Are you okay to be on video?
Nothing.
No? Okay. She's not going to be on video. Okay.
Her best chance of surviving through last week.
Okay, so the only thing missing in this room now is my wife. No, I don't wish you were here. But I wish we were in a place like this on vacation somewhere together. Wow, 96. Food looks okay, but again, they don't bring anything to drink. Only milk for somebody that's lactose intolerant. Another day, another dinner. Cheeseburger.
I believe it goes in both nostrils. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? All right. Bear with me here. Here we go. Okay. Not too bad. Next one, okay? Okay. Good.
Here's my honey. Thanks for putting up with me. Thank you so much for dealing with me. Ay. Packed house.
What?
Packed house.
My house is really work now. This week wasn't that bad. When I come here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Don't get ill anymore.
This guy can't fit, huh? Or something's broken. There's your prices. £18,800 for both of these. Today we are throwing away all the stuff that used to be on the top of this truck. Remember the advertisement of the van business? The problem is, I'm stuck now. Unloaded all my wood over there, but I'm stuck. We'll see what happens. I can't get the steering wheel turned to the left. Hallelujah, I got it. I talked to one of the guys that was driving the bulldozer and he was getting somebody to pull me out, but I tried, and I got it. Holy cow. This is crazy. And this guy's getting road service over here. There's the drive shaft. Anyway, what do I do with this truck now? All washed up from the car wash? Damn, that truck looks good. Who wants it? What should I do with it? It ain't running. Look how good that looks. Damn, boy. This is the road to the Buddhist center. No pets, please.
Buddhist temple.
So you've been back here already?
Yeah. Yeah, we walked all around it. Pretty well. There's a big gong you can ring it. Wait till you see the marble structures, man. You'll
From
have to
the-
get out and take pictures. It is.
From the outside?
No, we'll
Speed
get out and
limit.
walk around it.
Speed limit 10. Nice.
Bamboo everywhere.
Nice road. Holy cow, how far is this place?
We're gonna come up on a big old parking lot here in a minute.
I was gonna say, so what happens if somebody's coming in the opposite direction?
We make them back up.
Looks like you fit on the right side over here. Look, you see that?
Yeah.
They cut that little path out. But on the right side is wetland.
Look at the big boot on top of that
It's all
statue.
wet.
Wait till you see the 1-foot video of this.
Every step of the journey is a journey. That's what it just said. White Sands Buddhist Center. Somebody lives in an RV over there.
We'll
That-
come down here and park. We'll start walking right here and you can check this shit out. Look at that big old boot up there. And each one of these, you might want to walk those too. Each one says something different. Look at that big old turtle.
Oh, is it alive? Oh yeah.
Dude, you gotta
Yeah.
walk and see this.
Hey there, big guy. Look at you. Huh.
Isn't that insane?
Yeah.
Statue of the Chickamauga Buddha entering Nirvana. He passed away at the age of 80 while laying on his right side in meditation under the Sala tree in the jungle of Kuznagar. This statue was carved in Vietnam from one large block of granite and has a length of 35 feet. The statue was placed at White Sands Buddhist Monastery in
2013.
2013.
Huh.
Over there, there's a big old
Okay, let me try that.
big gong over there, and they serve like munchies. And where's the gong? Oh, there's the gong right there.
Huh.
All the way to Nirvana.
Look at this. It works. Look how clean it is.
Yeah.
I guess just it has its own little ecosystem in here. No trespassing over there, I guess. There's a sign over there that says no trespassing, but I guess you can't go past this. Oh, look at this thing. Watch this, watch. Watch this. It fills up. Yeah. I don't know every how often, but I just saw it move. How far is it? It didn't fill up yet?
No, I can't even see the water.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes. Almost.
That's cool. Wow.
Yeah, right there is where they serve the food.
Gift shop.
Food of compassion.
Wow. Oh, there's your gong thing, huh?
Right here.
Oh, and this is what they serve.
Please bring straight down with
Vietnamese pancakes, vegetarian egg rolls, green papaya, Vietnamese sub, sesame ball, spring rolls, Vietnamese iced coffee, vegan ham papaya. Sorry, I know Ron was talking. Wait. You're not gonna do it, are you? Are we allowed to do that? Wow. You have to do it 3 times?
You want to do the next one?
No, go ahead. I wonder what the neighbors think. Can we hear that from that other property if we buy it?
That's bullshit.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, I feel it here. Look how they plant the orchids. And like they nail a little bucket, and then eventually the roots just grab a hold of the tree. What day do Buddhists pray? Do they do the Sunday thing, or is it different? They like these water things. There's a lot of these around here. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of them around here. With frogs in them. Look at all the tadpoles. Nice flower. Yeah, well, that's why I'm filming. I'm going to show her the video. Yes.
Meditation
Sunday,
classes.
August 24th. Service starts. Sunday. It says it Sunday.
Oh, actually,
Look at that. It flat out says turtle crossing right here. That's so funny. Look at that. But this is a wetland here. It's all wet on the right and the left of us.
yeah.
That's why they got this big old gravel road. Thank you for the tour.